Deeds that invite misfortune. We all have done deeds that invite happiness, but there are also deeds which are bad, and if you do them, they will lead to unhappiness. Allah has made certain deeds wrong because either they are bad for us, our health, or they hurt or harm other people. Some of these deeds are as follows. 1. Missing to say your prayers on time without a good reason. If you are watching your favorite cricket match, for example the match between Pakistan and India, and it is time for Salat, you should go to pray first and then come back to watch the rest of the match. Our sixth Imam, peace be on him, has said, "Whoever does not pray on time is not of us." 2. Eating when you are already full. This is bad because you spoil your appetite, as well as making yourself overweight, and you are putting extra pressure on your body to look after the extra weight. You also lose respect for food. 3. Sulking. This means to make a face when you do not get what you want. This is bad because you are being a spoilsport. If your parents refuse you something, they are only doing it for your own good. 4. Being stubborn. This means that you think only you are right and that everybody else is wrong and refuse to hear anyone else. You should listen to others and think about what they are saying before you decide what is right and wrong. 5. Sleeping more than is required. If you sleep too much, then this is bad for you. The more you sleep, the more tired you get. This means that if you become lazy and lay in bed for longer than you need, then you will become even lazier. Time is very precious, and Allah has given it to you to spend usefully. Try not to waste it. 6. To tell lies. Lying is very bad and can become a habit very easily. Lying is also like a key, which opens the door to other bad deeds. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has said, "Leave falsehood and make speaking the truth a habit." 7. Being rude to others. This is bad because you not only hurt other people's feelings, also you will lose your self-respect and you friends if you make a habit of being rude. 8. To think that you are better than others. This is one of the worst deeds because this is pride. That is why Shaitan was removed from the mercy of Allah, because he thought he was better than Prophet Adam. How can you avoid pride and arrogance? However good you are or however well you do, just remember Allah. Tell yourself that He is the one who has helped you achieve your success, and thank Him. 9. To laugh at other people's mistakes. This is rude, as well as being proud. Everybody is human, and everybody makes mistakes. To laugh at other people is bad, because you can hurt their feelings. Just think, how would you like it if other people laughed at you? 10. To be in a state of najasat, unclean. You should always try to remain clean and tahir. This means that you should wash yourself properly every time you go to the toilet, and make sure that your clothes do not get najis. If they do, then you should clean them as soon as you come home. It is said that to be clean and tahir is from the habits of the prophets.